YouTube in 2026 is not the same platform it was even 12 months ago, and almost nobody has actually noticed how deep the changes go. Not the casual viewer scrolling through their feed, and surprisingly, not even most of the creators actively uploading to it every single day. Creators are still uploading the way they did last year, still chasing the same strategies, still assuming the rules haven't moved. And that is exactly the problem, because behind the scenes, AI has quietly rewritten almost every part of how this platform actually works under the hood. Who gets views, who gets paid, and who gets replaced entirely without ever being told why. Most people believe AI on YouTube just means better recommendations and some new editing tools. That's the common belief, and it's comfortable, but the truth is far bigger than that. AI is changing who can become a creator, how content gets made, how money flows, and even who YouTube trusts. And creators who don't understand this shift are about to get left behind without ever knowing why. So in this video, I'm going to break down 7 major ways AI is changing YouTube in 2026, ranked from significant to absolutely game-changing, things most creators have not prepared for at all, and honestly, things most creators won't even believe until they see it happening to their own channel. And the strange part is none of this is hidden. It's all happening in plain sight, in the comment sections, in the channels suddenly losing reach, in the new creators who seem to come from nowhere and blow up overnight. Most people just haven't connected the dots yet. They're treating each individual symptom as a separate, unrelated problem instead of seeing the bigger pattern underneath all of it. And by the end of this video, you'll see that pattern clearly. You'll understand exactly where this is heading and how to position yourself before everyone else catches up. Let's get into it. Let's start with the shift that's already happening, but most people haven't grasped the size of it. A single person with a laptop can now do what used to require an entire production team: scripting, voiceover, editing, thumbnails, even research. All of it can be handled by AI tools working together. And this means the barrier to starting a channel has basically disappeared. 5 years ago, making a polished video required a writer, a voice actor, an editor, and a designer. Today, one person directs AI through every single step. Here's a number worth sitting with. A single creator using AI tools can now realistically produce in 1 week what used to take a 5-person team an entire month. Multiply that across every niche on the platform, and you start to understand the scale of what's coming. Here's why this matters more than people realize. It's not just that more people can start channels, it's that the competition is about to explode. Millions of new creators are entering every niche at once, which means the days of slow, steady growth with low-effort content are ending fast. What worked for a channel posting once a week with minimal effort 18 months ago simply does not get the same results today, and that gap is only going to widen. But as big as this shift is, the next one changes something even more fundamental about how content gets discovered in the first place. Change number 1, and the one creators are least prepared for. YouTube's recommendation system can now detect patterns that reveal whether content is mass-produced AI slop or genuinely crafted content. This is the single biggest shift happening right now. For the last few years, AI-generated faceless content quietly took over huge parts of YouTube. The same voice, the same stock footage, the same recycled scripts repeated across thousands of channels. And for a while, the algorithm couldn't tell the difference. But that window is closing fast. YouTube systems are now trained to recognize repetitive structures, generic AI voices with no variation, and content that adds zero original value. When they spot it, instead of recommending it, they bury it. Creators message me constantly confused about this exact thing. Their views were climbing steadily for months. The channel finally felt like it was building momentum. Then one day, with no policy strike, no community guideline warning, and no obvious reason at all, the growth just stops cold. This explains why so many channels that were growing fast suddenly hit a wall with no warning. The creators who survived this shift are the ones adding something AI alone cannot replicate: their own voice, their own opinion, their own unique angle. And that single idea is the thread running through everything else in this video. Picture 2 channels covering the exact same topic. One is a generic AI voice reading a script over stock footage that 100 other channels could have made. The other has a real point of view, a story, a reason this specific person is talking about this specific thing. 6 months from now, one of those channels is buried and the other is still growing. That single idea is the thread running through everything else in this video. Change number 3. Viewers are losing the ability to tell what's actually real. AI-generated voices, faces, and visuals have become so convincing that the line between authentic and synthetic content has nearly disappeared. This creates two very different outcomes depending on how you use it. Channels that use this realism to deceive, fake testimonials, fake results, fake people who don't even exist, are walking straight into serious trouble, both with YouTube's policies and with audience trust once it gets exposed. And once an audience catches a creator faking something significant, they rarely come back. That kind of trust, once broken, is incredibly hard to rebuild. But channels that use the same realistic tools honestly to enhance storytelling, to illustrate ideas, to make production look more professional, are thriving. Think about a creator using AI visuals to recreate a historical event for an educational video. That's honest storytelling. Now compare that to a channel using the same tools to fake a celebrity endorsement or a fabricated testimonial to sell a product. Same technology, completely different outcome. One builds an audience, the other eventually destroys one. The lesson here is simple. The technology itself isn't the problem. How you use it is. And the channels building genuine trust with their audience right now are setting themselves up to survive whatever comes next. Because trust is about to become the rarest and most valuable thing on the entire platform. Change number 4. The way creators get paid is quietly shifting. For years, the formula was simple. More views equals more money. But AI-generated content flooded the platform so fast that view count alone stopped being a reliable signal of real value. So YouTube has been adjusting how revenue gets distributed, weighting things like genuine watch time, audience retention, and viewer satisfaction far more heavily than raw view numbers. This means a channel with fewer views but a deeply engaged audience can now out-earn a channel with millions of low-quality views. For creators chasing quick viral spikes with thin AI content, this is a painful adjustment. Their numbers look impressive on paper, but the payouts keep shrinking and nobody can quite explain why. But for creators focused on actually holding attention and delivering real value, this shift works massively in their favor. Smaller, more loyal audiences are quietly out-earning huge, disengaged ones across the entire platform, a pattern that would have seemed completely backwards just a couple of years ago. Think about a creator with 50,000 views, but an audience that watches every video to the end, comments constantly, and buys whatever they recommend. That channel can now out-earn a channel pulling 500,000 low-quality views from people who click away after 10 seconds. The math has genuinely flipped, and that brings us to a change that's reshaping entire careers, not just individual videos. Change number 5, and this one affects more than just the people on camera. Entire job categories that used to support the creator economy are vanishing. Freelance editors who only knew basic cuts and transitions, script writers who only wrote generic listicles, thumbnail designers who only followed simple templates. AI now does all of this faster and cheaper, which means the bottom layer of the creator economy is being automated away. But here's the flip side that most people miss. The demand for skilled direction has never been higher. Editors who understand pacing and story, writers who bring a unique creative voice, designers who understand psychology and branding. These people are more valuable than ever because they're the ones telling the AI what to do. The lesson repeats again. Execution is being automated. Direction and taste are not. A freelancer who used to make a living cutting together simple AI voiceover videos for $50 a piece is now competing against the AI itself. But the same person who learns to think like a director, who knows how to pace a story and shape an emotional arc, can charge 5 times as much because they're now irreplaceable. And that exact idea becomes even more important in the next change. Change number 6. Popular niches are becoming saturated almost overnight because AI lets creators produce content so fast, the moment a topic starts trending, dozens of channels can flood it with videos within days instead of weeks. This means the comfortable window creators used to have, spotting a trend early and slowly building an audience around it, has shrunk dramatically. By the time most people notice a trend, it's often already crowded with AI-assisted competitors. What used to be a golden window of 2 or 3 weeks weeks to establish yourself in a new topic has shrunk down to a matter of days before the space gets flooded. The channels surviving this are the ones who stop chasing trends entirely and instead build something trends can't easily copy: a real personality, a specific expertise, a community that comes back because of who you are, not just what topic you covered that week. Imagine a creator who spots a new AI tool trending and posts about it within hours. By the next morning, 30 other channels have already covered the exact same topic with the exact same angle. The early advantage that used to last weeks now lasts days, sometimes less. And for creators who built their entire strategy around being first to a trend, that old playbook simply doesn't work the way it used to anymore. And that idea connects directly to the seventh and final change, the one that matters most of all. Change number 7, and this is the one tying everything else together. In a world where AI can produce unlimited content instantly, genuine authenticity becomes the rarest, most valuable thing a creator can offer. Think about everything we've covered. The algorithm rewards original content over generic AI patterns. Viewers crave real trust in a world full of synthetic media. Monetization favors genuine engagement over empty views. The job market rewards real creative direction, and oversaturated niches get cleared out by creators with a real identity. Every single one of these changes points to the exact same conclusion. The creators who win in 2026 aren't the ones using the most AI, and they're definitely not the ones avoiding it out of fear either. They're the ones who use AI as a tool while staying unmistakably, genuinely themselves on camera, in their voice, and in the choices only a real person with real taste would make. Think of it like a restaurant in a city full of identical fast food chains. The food might be fine everywhere, but people drive across town for the one place with a real personality, a real story, a chef who actually cares. YouTube in 2026 is becoming exactly that. Endless identical AI content everywhere, and the channels that stand out are the ones with something unmistakably human at their core. AI becomes the engine, but you remain the reason anyone actually watches, and that single distinction, more than any tool, any trend, or any algorithm tweak, is going to separate the creators who are still around in 3 years from the ones who quietly disappear from the platform and never quite figure out why. So let's quickly recap everything, because seeing it all together is what makes it click. Anyone can now build a full production studio alone. The algorithm can detect AI content patterns and bury the lazy ones. Viewers can no longer tell what's real, which makes honesty more valuable than ever. Monetization is shifting toward genuine engagement instead of raw views. Entire job categories inside the creator economy are disappearing, while creative direction becomes priceless. Popular niches are turning hyper-competitive overnight, and authenticity has become the single biggest advantage any creator can have. 7 massive shifts, all happening right now, quietly, in the background, while most creators are still operating like it's last year, still uploading the same way, still expecting the same results from strategies that simply don't hold up anymore. But here's the one thing I need you to remember if you forget everything else, and I want you to really sit with this one. AI isn't replacing creators, it's replacing creators who have nothing unique to offer. The algorithm, the audience, and even the advertisers footing the bill are all quietly pushing toward the same outcome now, rewarding real voices and steadily filtering out the noise. And that pressure is only going to get stronger as more generic AI content floods in. The tools are available to everyone, but what you do with them, the voice you bring, the trust you build, the perspective only you have, that cannot be copied by anyone else's prompt. 2 years from now, you'll either be one of the creators who adapted early and built something real, sitting comfortably ahead of a wave that crushed everyone who chose to ignore it, or you'll be wondering why your channel that used to grow easily suddenly stopped working, scrolling through forums asking what changed without ever getting a clear answer. So don't just watch and forget. If this opened your eyes to where YouTube is actually heading, smash that like button because it genuinely helps this reach more creators who need to see it. Subscribe because I break down exactly what's coming next on this platform every single week, and drop a comment telling me which one of these 7 changes surprised you the most. I genuinely read every single one, and I reply to as many as I can. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get it.